There is a specific technique for achieving highly repeatable motion with edelkrone dollies, and in this video we're going to walk you through it. This method allows you to flawlessly repeat any camera move you plan, unlocking incredible VFX potential for your footage. Before you start recording your move, you'll need to mark the dolly's starting point on the floor using a piece of tape and a pen. The inner rear corners of the dolly make excellent reference points for this. However, if you prefer to use a different spot as your reference, that works perfectly fine too. I pull the dolly slightly so it's positioned right over the tape. Then, using a pen, I mark the exact alignment of the corners directly onto the tape. Now, even if the dolly is moved far away, I have a precise reference mark to manually position it right back to this exact same spot. Now that this quick setup is out of the way, we can finally start recording our move. I'm setting the keyframes one by one, recording the exact points I want the dolly to pass through. Once I've recorded my final position, I can manually move the dolly right back to our starting point. While I'm on my way back to the start, I'll also take a moment to teach the system the exact point I want it to track. I do this simply by pointing the head device at that same spot from two different angles. I carefully align the dolly back onto our initial starting mark. We need to teach the dolly that it is currently at the exact start position. I press and hold the starting keyframe and a special option appears, Match Position. We'll select this. This way, the dolly flawlessly recalibrates and knows exactly that it's at the starting point. Now, I simply tap the final keyframe, and the dolly begins executing the exact move I just recorded, starting flawlessly from that precise starting point. Because I recorded and launched the move by sticking exactly to this workflow, I'll be able to replicate this exact motion flawlessly in just a moment. To see that we can replicate the move perfectly, I'm going to mark the dolly's final position with a piece of tape. Now, let's take the dolly back to the starting point, calibrate it using match position, and run the exact same move again. Let's see if it reaches that exact same spot perfectly. Press and hold the start position, calibrate with match position, and tap the end position button to launch the move. Exactly as we wanted, it landed perfectly on the exact same spot. This proves that we can flawlessly replicate our previous camera move. That demo you saw at the beginning of the video was actually shot by repeating this exact same camera move.